You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Pull up the handbrake. Lock the wipers in the raised position. To do this, switch off the ignition, then press down on the wiper level. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new blade, slide it into its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen. Turn the vehicle's ignition and apply pressure to the wiper lever.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. Take the new blade. To put the new blade, slide it into its housing. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.